Form 8300 is filed by businesses that receive more than $10,000 in cash in a single transaction, or in related transactions with the same customer within a 12-month period. The form must be filed within 15 days of the transaction. Cash includes currency, cashier's checks, money orders, and certain bank drafts. Penalties for failing to file are significant. Part 1 identifies the individual who paid the cash. Enter their last name, first name, and taxpayer identification number. If the transaction was conducted by a different person on behalf of the payer, you also complete Part 2. Part 3 describes the transaction itself. Enter the total amount of cash received. You will also describe what the cash was paid for, such as the sale of goods or services performed. Part 4 identifies your business, the one that received the cash. Enter your legal business name and employer identification number. You will also provide your business address and describe the nature of your business. A copy must be provided to the person named in the report within 15 days of filing. Keep your own copy for 5 years. You can file Form 8300 by mail or electronically through FinCEN. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not legal advice.